Session 5, Enforcement of Road Rules. In this session, we're going to be looking at the role of the police in road safety, penalties including fines, demerit points, licence suspensions and cancellations, the consequences when fines are not paid, and where to find additional information and help. The role of Victoria Police in road safety. Victoria Police play a key role in improving road safety in the state. Their key focus is on preventing road crashes and reducing deaths and injuries on our roads. They do this by enforcing the road rules, educating the community about the importance of sharing the road safely with others, investigating road crashes where people are seriously injured or killed, and working closely with other road safety agencies to plan and implement effective road safety initiatives. If you are stopped by Victoria Police while driving, you're expected to pull over in a safe spot, stay in the car, provide your name and licence, and undergo a breath test for alcohol or test for drugs if asked. You will be given an explanation of why you have been stopped and advised on what action will be taken. Don't drive away until advised to do so. You do not pay fines or any money directly to the police, and it's a serious offence to offer police money or anything else to ignore an offence. Breath testing for alcohol and drug testing. Testing will be at selected points on roads using a breath testing station or a special booze/drugs bus and team of police. Testing can also be at any time a driver is stopped by police. Breath testing measures your blood alcohol concentration, what's known as your BAC. A BAC of 0.05% or 0.05 means there is 0.05 grams of alcohol to every 100 millilitres of blood. Learner permit and probationary licensed drivers must have a BAC of 0. All licensed drivers must have a BAC below 0.05. Fines and licence cancellation can apply if you break the rules. There are heavy penalties for breaking the rules and for refusing to undergo a breath test or a drugs test. Fix the mobile speed cameras. These can operate anywhere at any time. You will not be stopped by the police. A fine, what's known as an infringement notice, will be sent to the owner of the car through the mail. You can pay the fine in full, pay the fine over time, but you must ask for permission to do this. Nominate another person who was the driver, challenge the fine, or ask for consideration if you have a good driving record. You must not ignore the infringement notice. Penalties for traffic offences. A traffic offence will result in a penalty such as a fine, demerit points, which can be imposed with certain traffic offences. These are points on your licence. Licence or learner permit suspension or cancellation for some offences, such as drink and drug driving. And there are serious penalties if you drive while your licence or your learner permit is suspended or cancelled. You can be taken to court if the offence is really serious. Your vehicle may be impounded or immobilised by Victoria Police for serious offences, and a prison sentence can be imposed in extremely serious cases. It really depends how serious the offence is. Demerit points. Demerit points are a form of penalty recorded against your licence or learner permit when certain traffic offences are committed anywhere in Australia. Demerit points range from 1 to 10 points per offence, depending on the severity of the offence. A fine may also be imposed together with demerit points. You will be advised by VicRoads of your demerit points on your licence. For learners or probationary driver licence holders, you're limited to 5 points in a 12-month period or 12 points in any 3-year period. For full driving licence holders, you can have a maximum of 12 points over a 3-year period. If you reach this limit of demerit points, you'll be presented with 2 options. You can choose to have your licence suspended for at least 3 months, or you can keep your licence and choose good driving behaviour for 12 months, but any further demerit points would lead to at least 6 months licence suspension. For further information, you may like to read The Road to Solo Driving. This is a handbook on road rules for Victoria, and it's available in English, Arabic, Chinese and Vietnamese. VicRoads also has a DVD called Getting on the Road, A Guide for New Migrants. This can be downloaded from the VicRoads website or purchased from VicRoads Customer Service Centre, from RACV shops, selected news agencies and some libraries and other retail outlets. More information on Victorian road safety can also be found on the following websites. Thank you very much for watching and for completing your new arrivals road safety programme. Welcome to the New Arrivals Road Safety Programme. This programme has been developed by VicRoads and the Transport Accident Commission. This recorded training is brought to you by the WimmeraDevelopmentAssociation Settlement Services and DET's Driver Education Training Services. All the information presented is correct at March 2021. Please check for amendments to road rules if viewing at a future date. My name is Sarah and I'm going to be presenting for you today.